the name of God, who is most gracious and merciful, I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. The topic Arabs awakening for Gaza and Imran Khan in Azerbaijan will be presented in this short program. The other day, Russia and China vetoed Security Council resolution as it was one-sided and did not ask for the immediate ceasefire in Gaza and did not serve the Palestinian cause in bigger picture. Now, with the help of Arab countries, another suitable resolution is being tabled in Security Council either today on 23rd of March or tomorrow on 24th of March. Viewpoint of Arab countries and few other details you can watch in the first video. In second video, you can watch how popular Imran Khan is in Azerbaijan and how he is viewed as a bold leader of Islamic world. Bad luck is that Pakistani nation cannot benefit from this impressive personality. So now you can watch both the short videos.
Thank you very much for being with us. As you see, we are the Council of Arab Ambassadors at the UN. And we want to say from the beginning that the ambassador of Algeria, who spoke inside the Security Council, reflects unanimously the unified Arab position vis-à-vis the draft resolution, which was not adopted in the Security Council for the obvious reasons, including it is one-sided and it did not mention Israel except maybe one time, and we reject framing what is happening as a terrorism issue. It is a genocide against the entire population of the Palestinian people in the Gaza Strip. Also, we would like to share with you that we, as Arab group, unanimously endorse and support the draft resolution by elected members of the Security Council, which has been put in blue last night, and the Security Council will very soon, maybe this afternoon or tomorrow morning, will vote on that draft resolution, which the essence of it is calling for an immediate ceasefire during the month of Ramadan, which we support because we want to save lives of the Palestinian people in the Gaza Strip, and we want to have massive humanitarian assistance to the level of the needs of our people. And we are against the forced transfer inside Gaza and outside Gaza, and we reject totally any attempts to storm and attack the Rafah area, including the city of Rafah. Our stand here with all of my brothers and sisters, including the chair of the Arab group for this month, the ambassador of Yemen, is a strong statement that we are sending to the entire international community and to the media in all corners of the globe, that we are united. We condemn in the strongest terms this genocide inflicted on the Palestinian people in the Gaza Strip that led to the killing of more than 32,000 Palestinians. 2/3 of them are women and children, and the number of injured people are in excess of 74,000. Great number of them are women and children, and large number of Palestinian orphans. We will continue to do everything within our disposal so that the Security Council to shoulder its responsibility to stop this war and to allow the Palestinian people, with the help of our Arab brothers and sisters and the international community, to heal the wounds in Gaza, to begin the process of the reconstruction of Gaza, and to allow all Palestinians to go back to the places where they used to live in the Gaza Strip before this aggression. Let me also share with you that we will have a meeting of the Council of Arab Ambassadors at 11 o'clock. We will discuss in details advancing the position adopted by the combined Arab and Muslim summits and the summit of NAM to support the admission of the State of Palestine to membership. And we are taking practical steps in this direction, and we will start mobilizing the largest number of countries to support us in that endeavor. And we hope that the Security Council will act on our application for admission at the ministerial level sometime in April, because there are 2 meetings in the Security Council next month will be at the ministerial level. One of them, we will ask the Council to facilitate the recommendation of admitting the State of Palestine to membership, and the other ministerial meeting will be related to UNRWA, standing with it, defending it, and shielding it from those who want to destroy it, led by the Israeli occupying authorities. So these are some of the things that we will be discussing and dealing with, and we will, as we have shown you, that we will keep informing you about all these details as we move forward.
When it comes to Imran Khan, let me be brutally honest. Imran Khan burst onto the scene, and when he gave his speech in the United Nations, he was a wonderfully eloquent advocate for the Muslim causes. In Azerbaijan, secular Azerbaijan, when they liberated Nagorno-Karabakh, Imran Khan's influence was so effective in going beyond the ethnic and nationalist lines that Azerbaijan, in their celebrations, they lifted 3 flags. Turkey, which gave them the drones, Azeri flag and Pakistani flag. Let's remember, at every OIC meeting, Imran Khan would bring up 2 topics, Kashmir and Palestine. They arrested Imran Khan, they threw 250 charges, they tried to rig the elections. But this is the point I was making about social media. When I said earlier that they can shadow ban thousands of accounts, because when they tried to rig the elections, what the Pakistanis did was, they went and voted for independents who are from Imran Khan's party, and they came first. They started rigging in broad daylight. I went to bed and there was somebody leading with like 180,000 votes. I woke up the next morning, they reduced it to 90,000 votes. It was rigging in broad daylight. Even international media came out and said it's clearly rigged election. In my opinion, if Imran Khan was in power, I think there'd be a much louder voice for Palestine. I think if Imran Khan was in power, there would be a greater shift in the Muslim world that Erdogan would be encouraged to pursue as well. So would Malaysia and the like. I think that Imran Khan in those 3 years showed what a potential huge change can happen in the Muslim world. That's why I believe he was toppled. Pakistan now is in a battle. They are desperately trying to make sure that Imran Khan doesn't form a government. They tried to get the 2 parties who were the beneficiaries of the rigging to form an alliance. There are people who won because of rigging, who have resigned their positions openly saying, I won because of rigging, I don't want to take my position like that.